The next question is, what is generic delegate? A generic delegate is a delegate having generic type parameters and generic return type. The declaration is delegate T, then the method name as calculate. Then within angular bracket, we can mention the type. So in our case, type is T. Then the parameters X and Y having the type T. If there are multiple types, so under angular bracket, we can write them as T1, comma T2, comma T3, etc. Next, we have one add method, which is taking integer X and Y as parameter, adding them and returning the value. So the return value is also integer. Similarly, we have the double version of the add function. Okay, so now how to use this delegate? So here we need to mention the type integer. So we can replace t, which is within the angular bracket, as integer. Okay, and then we will define an object of it. Okay, and we will refer the add method. So in our case, as we have taken the type as integer, so we will refer the first method, and we can call this delegate just by passing two parameters 10 and 2. Similarly, in case of double, we need to define the type as double, and we need to refer the add method, which is taking double as parameter and returning double. And also we can pass the values in double as 10.5 and 20.8. So we will write this program and see the output. Now demonstrate the concept of delegate having generic parameter. This is a console application in Visual Studio, and we are having the main method. I have already written console.readline just to pause the screen. Now I'm writing a delegate having return type T. The name of the delegate is del calculate, and it is taking a generic type as T, and there are two parameters having the type T, TA and TB. Okay. Now we'll try to write a method add, which will take parameter as integer and return type integer. Okay. So Visual Studio is automatically suggesting me that you can write a subtract method as well. Okay, I'm taking it. Now we need to create object of delegate tail calculate. So as both of our functions are taking integer as parameter, so I can mention the type t as integer. This is the object. Now we need to refer some method. So in this case, I'm referring add method. I need to mention static here, as the main is static. Okay. So we can see some output by calling this delegate del calculate. We need to pass two parameters. So I'm passing 10 and 5. It would return some integer. So I'm taking the value in an integer, and value val equals to this. I can print it also. Right. 9 var. Okay. So let me copy the code to call the subtract method. Need to change the object name del sub, and the wrapper method here should be sub. Okay. Need to change the value field, I mean value variable as sub, val sub. Now instead of del calculate, I need to call del sub, and in the console I will print val sub, this variable. Let's see what's the output. So the expected output is, in case of addition, 10 plus 5 15, and in case of subtraction it should be 10 minus 5 5. Yeah, so this is the expected output, and we have got it. So I think we are clear how to call a delegate with generic parameter. Thank you.